Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with the FX Market Insight for Tuesday, the 29th of October. All right, no major change on the currencies at the moment, and that's because we are waiting for the major news. Obviously, the Fed meeting is going to be the main event this week, leading a few days ahead of the US non-farm payrolls. Talk about Trump's adding in there, US-China trade deal ahead of schedule, if you can believe that. Impeachment proceedings. Still sort of banging away, and we've got the EU granting the UK a Brexit extension until the end of January. So with the current analysis, when you are looking at your charts and whatever else you have at the moment, to me, if anything, dollar yen has just gone up a little bit. Looks like with the anticipation of the Fed cutting rates this week and the US-China trade deal seemingly coming along quite well, there's a little bit of a positive feeling in the equity markets. The dollar itself is just sort of grinding sideways. So no major change except the safe haven trade, on all the uncertainty is probably unwinding a little bit. Dollar Swiss and dollar yen moving a little bit higher, but nothing to really, get super excited about. When you're looking at the charts, let's have a quick squiz at the charts here. I don't want to hold you up too long because there's not much else to go through here. You've got the major pairs here, right? And, sideways, most of them. Here's that little blip high here in dollar yen. But euro doesn't want to go down just yet. And even with that EU extension, sterling still sitting around 128.5. Looks like it's found a bit of a home there. And dollar CAD drifting lower still, but losing that overall strong momentum. But that's going to be very important as we come into the Bank of Canada interest rate decision tomorrow ahead of the Fed, right? So that's where traders are waiting basically for that information to really, get their cash working for them when they know which way these currencies are going. So that's pretty much it, guys. Today, what are we going to do today? Well, focus on US consumer confidence numbers, right? This is the first US number for the week. May give us a little lead into some sort of dollar direction. And that's all you can focus on. There's nothing else to really go through and try and make something else up that's happening because not much else is happening. So the dollar index just sitting pretty calm now around 97.75. Dollar yuan just sitting there waiting for the announcements, waiting to see what's going on. And that's where that US consumer confidence number will come into play. All right, that's the major focus for me for the next 24 hours. All right, guys, have a good one. All the very best. Cheerio.